Hi kids, let's learn the construction vehicles' names. Grader. Grader levels the ground. Tractor. Tractor pulls heavy loads. Bulldozer. Bulldozer pushes dirt and rocks. Excavator. Excavator digs big holes. Crane. Crane lifts things up high. Dump truck. Dump truck carries sand and stones. Loader. Loader scoops and moves dirt. Backhoe. Backhoe digs and lifts. Cement mixer truck. Cement mixer truck mixes and pours cement. Road roller. Road roller flattens the road. Tipper truck. Tipper truck unloads materials easily. Forklift. Forklift lifts heavy boxes and stuff.